Do 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 do. Ba ba ba. Dee 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 dee. Do ba ba ba. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 dee 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 ba da ba da ba. I know we got 3 minutes. I didn't really look at it yesterday. I should have cashed. Should have cashed ages ago and rebought in. I just didn't know what was going on really. Just don't have that knowledge. You've got to play the long-term game, that's the thing. You've got to play a long-term game, yeah. Today, I don't know if today's interesting, whether it goes down to 60, 50. But does it matter? Not sure it does. Because I ain't cashing. No way. That's it now. There's no way. Or was it down 15%? So if it goes up 15%, that's only till about 83, isn't it? Well, I suppose 83 is not. No, is it 83? 7, 3.5. 82, isn't it? 82.8. Roughly. Very roughly. About 83. 83.5 probably, because it's 7.2. Excuse me. Yeah, 83.5. Which I will take. So I'll be back to break even, really. Is that right? I don't know if that's right, but I'm going for it. So, there we are. Kind of right, I think. Roughly. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Because this is going to get worse and worse and worse before it gets better. So if there's rumours of a lockdown, even if it doesn't happen, especially for car companies, it's not going to be good. It's not going to be good at all. NIO went up 16%. Bloody hell. I think they were pretty good. Yeah, they were up yesterday, to be fair. They were up. $7.59. $7.59. Ooh, I mean, if it goes up to over 100 today, which would be incredible, I seriously might think of cashing. But I just don't know. I think it might go down again, to be fair. 8 o'clock, here we go. Here we go. It could easily go down again, but this is about the lowest it went to yesterday on. Oh, well, we're not 0.1. Surely that's not right. 0.2. Because I think people who went in about on the 70s on Tuesday, Wednesday, whenever it was, whenever it crashed, don't want to probably cash yet. But it's at its lowest amount probably all week, I would say, 72.6. So I'm surprised it's not gone up that well. There we go, down to 72. I think this could keep tumbling. I think it could keep tumbling because people are waiting. They're not selling off. Or sorry, they are. Well, they could be selling off. I suppose they are selling off. They're also not buying at the moment, really. What's Barclays doing? Barclays is up, you see. That's usually a good indicator of how. Although that's down. Wait, was that yesterday? No, that was today. The FTSE is down. There we go. That's about, oh my days. IAG is weird. That's demand. What happened here? So they're all coming back down, you see, which is the market itself, not necessarily the actual individual stock. But yeah, this could go down and down and down. I know I should have waited as well. That's frustrating. That's frustrating. Hindsight's a wonderful thing, though, to be fair. It is a wonderful thing. What if this just keeps going up, Barclays? That's coming back, sort of. It's in the green. There we go. Now Royce came back, you see. Classic 2 minutes of just actually doing nothing. Slight increase, big decrease, back up top again, back up to evens. 72.3 it came in at. 72.3 now. But it's got big volatility, that's what it does have. And it could get to 75, it could get to 80 very, very quickly, or it could get down to 65 very, very quickly. That's the thing. I was up 20% as well on that one day. On the day it crashed, it went up to about 103, 105. I knew it was too good to be true as well. I felt it in my fingers. But just wasn't there. Just wasn't there. Come on, you bastard. Oh. Yeah, see, it's come back. See, that's the FTSE rather than anything else at the moment. The FTSE's controlling it. Oh, it hit 70. Blimey, it did go. It went down to 70.2 and back up again. What's going on? What is going on? What is going on? Now back to 70.2. Just a bad day again, isn't it? It was all a bit rosy a couple of weeks back. Ah dear. It's not at its lowest level for a very, very long time. Because I don't think it hit 70 on Wednesday, Tuesday, whenever it was. I don't think it did. 69.9, wow. That is incredible. That is incredible. It's really frustrating. It's just not stopping. It really is not stopping. See, that's about even for the day, you see. This is down again. This is down big time. What are we, 6 minutes in? I may not have updated that yet. 68.9. What is going on? Wow, 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 wow. When this comes back, people are going to make different buttloads. Because it has to, surely it comes back. When does it come back though? God, it's just been on a downhill spiral since really. I have to try to come back a little bit, but not really. No, not really at all. 77 came back at 20. Just down, down, down. But even then, here it was just doing nothing for ages. And all of a sudden, it just went bam down to 71. Oh, 67.4. There's nobody's buying it. Nobody is buying it at all. People are just selling, 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 selling. Which is incredible for Royce. Who would have funked it? But it's not going to get better anytime soon, is it? He's got to wait, and you've got to wait. You've got to keep waiting. That's the thing right now. Waiting 5 minutes. Can't. It's not a short-term game. This one. It's all about 6 months to a year, which is just not even. Yeah, maybe 6. Maybe. Well, it depends what happens over the winter, really. That's the key. Oh, a little bit of light. And we're only 10 minutes in as well. In 10 minutes this could easily come back or go down to 50. Oh dear. Oh, bit of green. Finally. Oh, how good is the green? What are we saying? update this yet. Oh no, here we go. Short is up 17-18%. Oh, that's because when this goes when this goes down, this increases, doesn't it? That's all very confusing for me, I'll be honest. That's interesting though. Oh, it's an ETF. That is interesting this time though. It's up 18%. I think it's because you can't, because I'm investing, I can't actually sell myself. I can't short. So what about so the top loser would be long, Rolls Royce long, down 20%. This could possibly be interesting, you know, for Rolls Royce to come back. This could be very interesting if it does come back, that is. Oh, I see, I understand it, That is interesting. Interests me a lot. Because it's down 20%. What is, see, Rolls only down 7, so, and the short was up, wasn't it? So it was actually worth going into this one rather than the actual Rolls stock itself. That's the interesting thing about it. Where did this hit? So only, when did this, what are we looking at? If I go back down, if I go 1 hour, what was the peak? 1.856. What was this long? So when it goes long, when people are buying, that goes up to 1.7. What about when they shorted? How long did that go? Where does that go? Whoa, wait, what? It's at 3207. Ow. 1 month is down 98%. That's incredible. That is mad. $66.8. That's incredible. What is going on? It won't stay like this though. Because they had so many more shares, people are selling off, I think. But I think it's just a momentum of people shorting it, and people just selling off. But I don't know whether it's worth waiting for this for the best. If I got in at 80, I got in at about 80. If it suddenly goes to 100 next week, would it have been worth waiting for it to go down to 70? Because I probably would have done it yesterday at about 71 when it was down here. 72 maybe. Early 70s. Basically before yesterday was out. Just in case it went up today. But obviously it's just the momentum is just carrying it down and down and down. So new week, new Monday. Be interesting to see what happens. I'm assuming today it's just going to keep going down, really. I mean, the FTSE's down for the day. Barclays is up for the day. Kind of. Just about. Yeah, no, it is up for the day. Because it was 29th, wasn't it? Oh no. Jumped a bit. No, that's that one. Yeah. Yeah. So it's up for today. 0.63. Down 8.58. It's definitely not worth selling now, because it's not going to go down to 50, I don't believe. It could do, but I don't want to take that risk. What happened with Twitter? Up 8%, wow. Well. I think as soon as you hear sort of, I think 60 is such a low amount. I think if it can reach back to 70, which is a big if, I'll give you that. But if it can reach back to 70, I think that's just a bit of a game changer for the mindset of buying and selling. That's what I believe. The thing is, all these small increases are all like 1, 2, 3%. Because it's now only 0.6? Yeah, 0.6 is 1%. .67 if you want to be pedantic. Could we see another decrease? I don't. Yeah, we checked it a little bit here, didn't it? 67.7. That's because there was a drop here. The FTSE's trying to come back. I think this is a good. If I put in the actual FTSE, I think it's a good barometer. Yeah, it's down 0.36 according to Google. This is down only 0.14. Oh, but it wasn't exactly in time for, I don't think. $24.5. 67. It's only 20 minutes into the day as well. That's the interesting thing. Because Adidas, look, boom, 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 boom. It's done nothing. It's done absolutely nothing. Madness, isn't it? Absolutely madness. Ooh, Barclays, nice. That looks pretty cool. I do like that. Oh, it's better when they're proper bold. When there's no eggshell lines. That's just cool. It just looks cool. That's bullish. That's what you call bullish. Oh, a couple of more green sticks. It's wanting to. It's wanting to. It's wanting to do something. People have they've bared their shares. That doesn't sound right at all, but I'm going to say it anyway. They've bared their shares. They've made a few percent. They then buy them back. They cash out their money and their job done. I had a little increase here. That's what it was. See, that's now coming down, back down, sort of. Barclays has come down. It's coming back a little bit. Just trying to work out what Rolls is doing in relation to this one. I don't know. Not a lot, because it's gonna. I think this could flat out. You know, this could peter out. Big 20 minutes of selling off. Aston Martin's fallen. What's IAG doing? Whoa, 88! Bloody hell. Whoa, this would be a really good one to get into as well, I think. Again, for the long term. I think it'll be really nice. Because this owns British Airways, IAG. IAG. Nope, everybody's had enough. They're selling off. They're selling off. I knew I should have cashed. That's so frustrating. Hindsight, hindsight, hindsight. Wonderful, wonderful thing. Damn, down 32%. Damn, boy, damn. Damn, damn, damn. Oh, that's Alphabet, isn't it? Short Alphabet, which is Google. I think. Is it Google? I can't even remember now. Yeah, Google. Boeing's down to 148. Do I like that? I kind of like watching these. 65. Oof. It's a bad day at the office, boys. Bad day at the office. 8:25. I gotta go to work. Let's go. GG. Back Monday. Fingers crossed she comes back. Doubt it in a moment. Very much doubt it.